So here are the iconic cable cars in Kutaisi, Georgia, and I'm about to go on them. This is the famous White Bridge. Doesn't that kind of look like a walrus down there? Yesterday, the food festival happened here. I don't know the name of it, but it seems to be a traveling one that goes all around the country. And I was told that it goes city to city, and I couldn't even tell you the name of the food that I sampled, but it was incredible. It was like mutton, like chopped lamb, and then parsley, tomato, maybe a little onion in it on what was basically like pita bread, but with a little more of a Russian flair to it. It was kind of like a pastry that I had had in Finland before, and then topped with those toppings. This is where the food festival was. I recommend that if you come to Kutaisi, Georgia, it's very affordable so that you can afford to stay in a nice location. Stay along the river or near it.